Did you know that 60% of data breaches originate from third-party vendors? This startling statistic highlights a hidden risk many businesses overlook. Ignoring vendor checks can lead to severe financial and reputational damage. Consider the case of a major retailer whose data breach cost millions due to inadequate vendor scrutiny. Such incidents underscore the importance of thorough vendor assessments to safeguard your business. Vendor due diligence is a critical process that evaluates potential partners to ensure they meet your security standards. It involves assessing their cybersecurity measures, financial stability, and compliance with regulations. By conducting comprehensive due diligence, you can prevent costly security incidents and protect your business from unforeseen threats. It's an essential step in maintaining a secure vendor relationship. Familiarize yourself with cybersecurity frameworks like NIST and 27001. If you are on a DoD contract, then ensure you know CMMC very well. These frameworks provide guidelines for effective vendor assessments, ensuring your partners adhere to industry standards. Aligning with these frameworks enhances your security posture, offering a structured approach to managing vendor risks. They serve as a blueprint for safeguarding your business. Arrakis Consulting brings unparalleled expertise in vendor due diligence. Our proven track record in safeguarding businesses like yours speaks volumes about our commitment to security. Our comprehensive vendor assessment process identifies potential risks using advanced tools and techniques. We tailor our approach to meet your specific business needs, ensuring maximum protection. By understanding your unique requirements, we provide a customized solution that addresses your security concerns. Our process is designed to keep your business safe from vendor-related threats. Prioritizing vendor due diligence protects your business from unforeseen threats. Partner with Arrakis Consulting to ensure your vendor relationships are secure and your business is safeguarded. Contact us today to start your journey towards a safer business environment. Together, we can build a secure future for your company.